My name is Sharon Donovich and I work in HP Indigo in Israel in the strategic marketing department. I'm the product marketing manager for the DFE, digital front-end, Ultra, Production Pro print server and the onboard. So HP Indigo actually started working with Global Graphics on investigating the integration of the Harlequin RIP in 2001. We actually started shipping the product with the Harlequin RIP embedded inside in 2004. We use Harlequin RIP in all our digital front-end products, the onboard, the Production Pro print server and the Ultra print server. We use it to rip all the content that we are printing on our HP Indigo presses. The benefits of working with Global Graphics includes a very responsive partner and a scalable RIP solution that allow HP Indigo to drive the presses at press speed or above it for almost any job type.
My name is Geddes. I'm CEO of Global Inkjet Systems. I set up Global Inkjet Systems in 2006 to deliver software and electronics to drive industrial inkjet printheads. Our target markets cover labeling, product decoration, and book printing. Our technology allows our customers to drive a wide variety of industrial inkjet printheads, allowing them to print in scanning XY and single pass applications and use a variety of ink types. GIS has adopted the Harlequin RIP technology as part of the Unity inkjet operating system. The Unity inkjet operating system is the heart of the global inkjet systems range, and it is the core software technology that controls all of the hardware in the system. We chose the Harlequin RIP technology as it had a reputation for being one of the highest performance RIPs in the market, and also had a good reputation for color fidelity and control. There was a need in the market for PDF capabilities among our customers, and we were not able to fulfill that need. Using the Harlequin RIP technology, we were able to deliver the performance and high quality color fidelity that these customers were looking for.
I'm Eric Nelson. I'm in charge of product development for Xitron. We make RIPs and workflow and interfaces for the commercial print industry mostly. We are starting to transition into digital, but our core business is commercial print. So what we do is we do interface. We do device interface and we do user interface. And in the center of all of our products is the Harlequin RIP. It's basically the core. And we've been making device interface for 35 years. We've been using the Harlequin RIP since 1991. 2013 is the 25th birthday for the Harlequin RIP. And I want to say congratulations to the development team and all of the great people that I've worked with over the last 8 or 9 years. That RIP has helped us. It's at the core of our product, so without it, we wouldn't have a product. We drive 350 devices, and our core shtick is that we don't care what device you have. We can drive anything with a Harlequin. Working with Global Graphics is pretty easy. We have direct access to engineering and support and pretty much anybody we need. So when we have serious problems, they get fixed right away. When we have less serious problems, they go on a list and we discuss it and they keep us aware of their plans. So we can plan our development around what Global is doing. It works out well. It's one of the best vendor relationships we have because we at least we think we know what you're up to. So that helps, and it helps with our planning. It helps so that we don't do a lot of work that you're already going to do. So that leads me to a couple of things that we've been working on. A lot of our commercial print customers are trying to make a transition, at least in part, to digital. So we've been working on a lot of digital output devices and device plugins for the Harlequin RIP. And since we come from commercial print, we haven't really cared that much about the speed of the RIP because we can always make a plate fast enough for a plate device. That's no problem. The question is, can we make it right? And we can. But Where the digital devices, you need to be able to print very fast. And we haven't really had to bother too much with that until the last year or so. And the great thing is that we found out a lot of the problems we thought we would face, we didn't face because Harlequin's already solved them. The RIP is as fast as it needs to be. Xitron is helping our customers to transition to digital print. And a part of that is the Harlequin RIP version 10 and the upgrades available to us. We are going to be taking advantage of parallel pages, which will make us RIP even faster. We are going to be using the Data features that will help us to process variable data files fast enough. Every time we meet a digital device, it turns out we need to go faster. It also turns out that the Harlequin RIP is already fast enough, and we just need to not be in its way. So our job is to make the device interfaces that our customers want and then to get out of the RIP's way. Xitron is helping our customers to transition from commercial to digital, and Global Graphics is a big part of that. With our commitment to hundreds of device output support and Global's commitment to sheer speed, that is the best way I can think of to go forward.
Hi, my name's Andy Grant. I'm the Global Head of Software for Agfa Graphics. We use the Harlequin Global Graphics RIP as part of our Architects family for newspaper production solutions. We've been a customer of Global Graphics for more than 15 years, and we've enjoyed that relationship. It's been very fruitful and a good partnership for ourselves and our customers. The Architects production workflow solution is designed to automate from the pages being ready from editorial through to the presses being ready to print newspapers. An important part of that process, of course, is a solid, reliable ripping solution, and that's what the Global Graphics partnership does for us. Well, of course, the most important thing that newspapers are focused on is that daily deadline. They can't miss it. It's important the presses roll at a particular time. That's even more emphasized if there are planes, trains, and trucks that have to roll at a certain time. So it's very important that the ripping solution is fast, reliable, and if there is a problem, then we can get a quick solution through to our customers. The Architects production solution and the Newsway production solution from our sister company, we occupy more than 66% of the newspaper production solutions worldwide. And I know that the Harlequin Graphics RIP is the predominant RIP supplier to the whole newspaper market, not just in conjunction with Agfa. If you look at all the major publishing companies worldwide making newspapers today, every one you can think of is using Agfa technology or Global Graphics technology.